channel. I appreciate you joining me today. I changed my channel name because I can and I'm new at YouTube, so it's like, who really cares? Let's jump into the video. I gotta finish my cocoa. This is where we are. It was 19 degrees last night. Ooh. Anybody else? Ooh. It's Lena and welcome back to The Lena Effect. It is a season of gift giving. What better way to show that you care than to give a gift that not only is great for the person, but also great for the planet. So in this segment, I will do a little breakdown of eco-friendly gifts. Think eco-friendly this season. If you're looking to get a gift for anybody, check out these biodegradable phone cases. They come with different colors and different themes, so you can pick the right one for the right person. They're also great protection, and you're helping the whales. I have used both Pellicase as well as IT Skins. Hold on. I have the green version of it right now. Before I got these phone cases, ironically the biodegradable phone cases, let's just say I was on my 10th phone. I do have a screen protector on here, and it's one of those tempered glass, but I also did size it too. I didn't get the right size. Number 2, the second gift that you can give if you have somebody out there who is super passionate about the environment, you can purchase a bracelet from 4Ocean that will help take a pound of plastic out of the ocean.
That's right. That's right.
Or you could choose to buy a 1 million acres bracelet. They're protecting 1 acre of forest for every bracelet that you buy.
Wow.
Our third gift that we're going to be talking about, I'll actually list some websites down here. You can go online right now and get these low waste, eco-friendly kits, a laundry one, bathroom one, a kitchen one. Really just depends on what you're looking for, what you're trying to spend. These are another great kind of universal present that you can give out to people. And you know, you're doing good justice in the world by, you know, teaching people to be low waste. I'm just saying.
I know just what to do.
This next gift, they are eco-friendly bamboo lounge wear. Underwear, so soft. They also have men's boxers. It's comfortable. If you're looking for that eco-friendly present for that guy, get your loved one something for yourself and your loved one. It's Christmas, guys, okay? It's not birthdays. You can get yourself stuff too. I think people don't really realize how beneficial bamboo is. It grows 3 times faster than a regular tree. Doesn't need a lot of water. Doesn't need pesticides to grow. Antibacterial. It also sequesters CO2. Bamboounderwear.com, go check them out. I can vouch for it. I have 4 sets, so I can't get enough. Number 5. I don't know if many of you heard of the House of Marley brand. Not only do they promote global reforestation, but also ocean preservation. It's amazing what they're doing with their mission. Now this gift giving idea is for the people who love music. They have headphones, earbuds, turntables, and then they also have speakers. The more we can learn about these brands, the more we understand that that's the direction that we should be going in society. You ask anybody and nobody's gonna turn down the fact that obviously we need to change our ways and, you know, take care of the earth a little better. All right, guys, number 6. Leaf Razor is like revolutionizing 100% sustainable stainless steel razor blades, maneuverability of like a regular plastic razor without having to constantly buy plastic razors and throw them away. Can we think for a second how many plastic razors we go through a year? I've heard nothing but great reviews. It's a little bit pricey, but honestly, you won't have to buy another razor. The razor blades are super cheap. You can get them pretty much anywhere. It'll actually save you money in the long run. Number 7. This is again something for everybody. It's more so a store, not so much a product. Tons of products for men, women, babies. Go check them out. They're called Ettitude. ETT, I'll just post it right there. There you go. They've got bamboo sheets, loungewear, baby accessories, travel accessories. Suggest you get on there right now and get your grandma some bamboo sheets and tell her, listen, grandma, there's something better than cotton. Definitely better than polyester. Honestly, not bad pricing, especially compared to non-eco-friendly products. Mission and their brand in the same direction that we as a society should be jumping on. Number 8, and actually, I think I'm gonna make 10 like a 2-parter, so it's like 10A, 10B. Who out there knows a shoe person? Anybody? Everybody pretty much, right? And if you're out there shopping, not sure what to get, but you wanna go eco-friendly, check out Nothing New. These are eco-friendly, sustainable sneakers. They remind me of Converse. Everything is recycled materials, sustainable materials. Their sneakers are all around $95. Even on their website, they actually post exactly what every part of the shoe is made from. You know I'm gonna be rocking those this year. That's happening. Number 9, eco-friendly workout attire, guys. This year especially, because we've all been home doing the home workouts. Everybody wants to feel good when they're getting into their fitness. What not a better way than recycled plastic from the ocean made into workout gear? Brand number 1. The Girlfriend Collection. You can send back your leggings and they will actually recycle those leggings into new leggings. Go check them out, the Girlfriend Collection. Brand number 2 is called Public Myth. They do have bamboo as well. Super soft, great for people who do the yoga. Just saying, if you guys are buying presents, I'm here. If you have somebody who likes a little bit louder fabrics, maybe a little more intricate detail, check out Woven. Amazing styles, different kinds of cuts. Check out those 3 brands. I'm gonna do like a little number 10 A and B. If you're a big spender and you're one of those people that just want to wow, pricey, but the best gift that you could probably give is a Tesla! Tesla electric cars. I mean, if you're gonna go big, go this big. Fully electric. I haven't looked into them yet. I got a hybrid, guys, okay? I'm on the road to 100% electric. Tons of the people I work with have Teslas. I think it's like a thing. All the managers have them now. I was inside the sport Tesla that went from 0 to 60 and that thing moves, guys. I mean, that's the ultimate eco-friendly gift. But if you're not trying to be that extravagant, if you are planning a vacation and you want to surprise somebody with vacation getaway, check out an eco hab. In Puerto Rico in San Juan, I found the neatest, it's called the Dreamcatcher. I think the lady who owns this one, she actually developed another one. I'll link it below. Sustainable, they had private chefs, a lot of things were farm to table. It goes with nature and with the environment. I love to be eco-friendly when I travel. I try my hardest. When I was on the plane and I held out my reusable cup, the guy gave me like a gigantic cup of alcohol. That was back when I was drinking a lot of alcohol. I'm not drinking right now, I'm on 75 hard. He was trying to be generous because he saw I was actually trying to be eco-friendly. I went to one in Colombia. No hot water, but I'm okay with that. When you're in a hot area, it really feels good to take a cold shower, especially if it's outside. I thoroughly suggest, if you're not gonna go with the Tesla, try doing an eco-hab getaway vacation. It blows people away how beautiful eco-habs can be. It's great to be supporting people who appreciate the planet because, guys, this planet, at the moment, it's the only one we got. So, all right, guys, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me for my top 10 and A and B gift ideas for eco-friendly gifts. I will be making some more hot cocoa because I'm addicted. I will end up putting that recipe and doing a little video for you guys on my Instagram. You can follow me down below. I will set all these links for everything that I talked about. I hope everybody is ready to start off this new year with a new mindset. Hit that like button, turn your notifications on, turn them on! Smash that subscribe button, and we will see you next video.